Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make leaves using wall putty. You can even use a little Fevicol white glue to it to make your craft more stronger. It is better to wrap your wall putty dough in a wet cloth. It will not get hard very quickly. Initially, as a base coat, paint the leaf with lemon yellow. Once it is dry completely, then apply sap green. Allow it to dry. Darken sap green by adding a little black to it. Give shading to the leaves with a dry brush. Hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.